Hello students, in this lecture we'll see a problem based on regular falsy. The problem is, show that a real root of the equation tan x plus tan hyperbolic of x equal to 0 lies between 2 and 3. Then apply the regular falsy method to find the approximation. Solution. So here the given equation is, that is f of x is equal to tan x plus tan hyperbolic of x. Okay, so this left hand side you have to take it. Then already they have given, the given above equation is in between 2 and 3, means the initial roots are 2 and 3 as per the given. So therefore we need to find f of 2. So you need to set your calculator mode in terms of radian. In terms of radian, then you need to type a equation, that is tan alpha x minus plus, then you have to use tan, then hyp hyperbolic, this function is there, h you have to type tan hyperbolic, so it is there here. So after writing tan x, you have to use hyperbolic function, that is hyp, you can see. So it will ask which function, that is tan h, so you press 3, so tan hyperbolic of alpha x, then go for calc option. So once you get calc option, we need to find the value of what here, tan of 2, because it is given in the question, already it is given here. So we need to check tan this one, f of 2 as well as f of 3 for this above function. So if you type, so what we'll get, we'll see. So if you press 2, then we'll get minus 1.2210 minus 1.2210, and next if you go for 3, go for again calc and press 3, so we'll get 0.8525, f of 3 will be 0.8525. so this is negative value, this is positive value, so which is already given in the question, so we need to follow that one. So once we get, so therefore the roots, the given root lies in the roots lies in 2 and 3. So with the help of this I will go for first iteration. So first iteration is, that is formula is x1 is equal to a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So we'll apply. So what is a? So a value is 2, b value is 3, f of a, that is f of 2, it is minus 1.221, and f of b value, that is f of 3 value is 0.8525. So once we get this, we need to apply in the formula, that is x1 is equal to a value is 2, f of b, that is 0.8525 minus b value is 3 into f of a value is minus 1.221 divided by 0.8525 minus f of a value is minus, so that's why I'm putting bracket here, so minus 1.221, and if you calculate, so I will prepare an equation once again in this here. So go for division. Then the equation is nothing but what here? It is tan x minus tan hyperbolic. So I will prepare that. So a value I will consider as alpha a bracket tan alpha b plus tan hyperbolic, that is hyperbolic, and the three options. So you will find tan hyperbolic of alpha b, close it, close the bracket, minus b into f of a, that is alpha b into, again the equation in terms of a you have to write, that is tan of alpha a minus, sorry, plus tan hyperbolic. So hyperbolic, tan hyperbolic of alpha a, close the bracket, come to the denominator. So bracket tan, you need to prepare a formula like that. So once you prepare a formula, cross check a into f of b formula, okay, completely in terms of b you have to check it, minus b into all in f of a in terms of f of a divided by tan b minus tan hyperbolic of b minus tan a plus tan hyperbolic of a. So once you get, go for calc option. So it will ask the value of a. So right now the a value is 3 here, 2 here, b value is 3. So we'll apply a value is 2, b value is 3, and you see the answer as 2.5888. So for they have asked, we need to check, and so means in the question there is a no some this one rounding the decimals, so we need to go for 4 decimal place by seeing the fifth one. So 2.5888 it is, so I will make it 2.5889. so therefore the first approximation is x1 is equal to 2.5889. So once we get a first approximation, that is x1 value, we need to check this in a given equation, so that we can find the value of f of 2.5889. so we'll see that value is positive or negative. If it is positive, we'll change 3, and if it is negative, we'll change for 2. So therefore in second iteration, we need to find the value of f of 2.5889, that is tan of 2.5889 plus tan hyperbolic of 2.5889. so this already I have typed in the equation. You just put AC button and you can see here. So tan x plus tan hyperbolic of x, you go for calc option and put the value 2.5889 and see the answer. So we got positive answer here. So positive answer means we need to change the right hand side, that is 3 value instead of 3, because here 3 is positive. You can check here, because of 3 we got positive value, because of 2 we got negative. So now right now we are getting the answer what here, 0.3719 or 0.3719 enough, which is positive. So which is positive means here 3 is positive, because f of 3 is positive. So 3 means we have to, instead of 2 we have to keep as it is. So 3 instead of 3 we need to rewrite it as what here, 2.5889 now. So therefore the root lies in 2.5889. This is negative value, this is positive. So we got positive answer, means we have to update the positive. So once we get this, so we need to go back to what here, a value. So formula, that is x2 is equal to A f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a, which is nothing but, so a value is as it is 2, b value it is fresh, that is 2.5889, then f of a value it is as it is, so f of a value is minus 1.221 remain as it is, so f of b value, so it will become 0.3719. so we'll apply this in the formula x2. so if you apply, so what answer we'll get, we'll see. So using calculator, so just press center button so that we'll get back the above equation. Go for calc option, so a value is 2 and b value is 2.5889, 2.5889, and we'll see the answer here as 2.45138. so 2.45134 will take it. So 2.4514, if you round up it will become 14. So this is our x2 second iteration. Next, so our first iteration and second iteration, it is not at all matching, not approximately same. So we'll go for the third iteration. The third iteration, so for this third iteration we need to check this in the above equation, that is f of 2.4514 is equal to, so tan of 2.4514 plus tan hyperbolic of 2.4514. so we need to apply this value in the calculator. So again just press AC button, go back to the center button, so you'll get back your equation, calc option. So x value is 2.4514. so we'll see we got again positive value, that is 0.159597 so on. So we'll take up to 4 decimal place, so 0.15995 or 1596 will make it, which is positive. So which is positive, so therefore the root lies in, so 2 will remain as it is. So instead of 2.5889 we have to write this, that is 2.4514. so once we get this, so we need to go for the third iteration formula, that is x3 is equal to a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So therefore the a value will be here again 2, then b value will be 2.4514, then f of a value will be, it is remain as it is, minus 1.221, and f of b value just now we got it 0.1596. so if you apply directly in the calculator a and b value, what we'll get, we'll see here. So go back again, center button, so it is already ready in the calculator. So a value is 2, so b value is 2.4514, 2.4514 equal to sign, and we'll see the answer is 2.3992. so it will be 2.3992. so we'll stop here because in the question there is a correction, so you need to see that. So we need to apply regular falsy method to find the third approximation. You just add in the question, it is up to third approximation. So we'll stop it here. So therefore up to third approximation means we have to stop and we have to conclude it that the required third approximation is 2.3992. So in this way we need to work out the example based on this regular falsy method.